Tēnā tātou anō. Just doing a quick reflection for the moment. Week eight's finished. Coming into week 9. The learners have been engaging. It hasn't been too bad. Obviously, we've just come into a level 1 around our COVID-19. However, the majority of the learners have returned, so that's good. Sort of had to change the whole scope, obviously, to reach some kind of summative with my learners. So those plans are sort of processing at the moment. One for my year 10 class, the other one for my 3 year 9 classes. So yeah, we're moving into that realm now. Probably the week of the 22nd, I'll start doing their summatives around their chosen subjects at what I'm looking to do to give them credits towards their diploma here at the school, which is a great initiative. So yeah, another assignment of sort has been completed, and it's all around the design for learning. That's what we're looking at the moment, via our Akomata Tupu journey. So that obviously that's still a part of the journey. I'm looking to do another recording, another tau painga for my hoiako, and then the next one after that should have my a try, which is myself, my school mentor, and my hoiako. So that'll be good, and that's basically us having a look at what the up and coming goals might be around my classroom and with my learners. Obviously, my goal. Yeah. So sorry, just going back a step as well. The recording that I do is the first one is all about how I'm getting on with the lesson plan, obviously, and using that as the medium, so my hoiako has a idea of what's been happening in my space. So ka pai tēnā. I'll leave it there for now, and I look forward to making another tau pānga a little bit later on. Right, kia ora mai tātou, hei kona.